The big question, when will Shiba Inu lose another zero and really gain, basically get back to where we were, right? Right now we're at that 5077 range. When will we get back to the 401 range? And I think it's going to be later this summer. We're going to dive into that a little bit deeper. Also talk about what Watcher Guru thinks in this video, guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button for us. Drop a comment down there, whether you agree or disagree with what some of the things we're going to drop here in this video. But Shib has been struggling to eliminate the zero it gained here in May of 2023. Since early February, the popular crypto has been on a downward trajectory, like many other altcoins. Now, according to Into the Block, token inflows into whale wallets over Friday and Saturday amounted to around 50 billion. However, Shib's latest rally was not supported by any significant buying activity. Instead, there was noticeable decrease in the outflow of tokens from whale wallets, meaning a lot of this was retail demand driven, which is fine. The relatively modest inflows were successfully compensated by the slow outflows, which also raised the net flow. This notable shift in behavior indicated that whales have chosen to reduce their selling operations. However, the majority of Shib holders are whale wallets. Therefore, a move from there end tends to shift the tide for Shib prices, as we have seen here just in recent history. Now, what can also help Shib remove this zero and get back to where we want to be, right? I mean, obviously, we've got the Shibarium launch, which is imminent. Now, this event has the potential to help remove more than just a zero. In fact, Shibarium could help take the asset to new price highs eventually once we get back into a full-fledged bull run, which I think will happen. Once we get back into a full-fledged bull run, all coins come back. We're not that far away. That's the thing. Shib's not that far away from getting back there. We know how fast things can move in a bull run, and we also know how fast things can move with Shiba Inu. It is a retail-driven coin, but will also have institutional money and big smart money with the whales behind it. Keep in mind, there is no bigger altcoin that the whales hold other than Shib, right? The Ethereum whales. Outside of Ethereum, it's both stable coins and then Shiba Inu. As long as we have those whales holding the floor, and we have new retail demand come in, because that is what we're waiting for. We haven't seen the big rush of new money come into crypto. And the same could be said here for not only Shib, but for, I mean, basically any top altcoin. Whether you're looking at Polygon, Cardano, Polkadot, go down the list. We have not seen the new money come back in, and we have to keep that top of mind. Now, on top of that, what makes me really, really bullish about Shib moving forward into this next cycle, and how we can move a zero and more and beyond and get back to all-time highs and beyond, is the fact that we actually have catalysts that we know will boost the price. Catalysts that we know will create exposure for the ecosystem. Shibarium, the metaverse, so many different projects coming in, so many companies already partnering with Shib during this bear market to expand operations, expand brand awareness. This layer 2 network, though, it's everything, right? This is going to be probably the most significant moment in Shib's history that we're all expected to kind of see it play out at some point this summer. And once we get that, we will see price increases. How much? I can't tell you. I don't have a crystal ball, right? But the layer 2 network is the only thing of significance right now at the moment in this time period. There's not much other than that which could push the project to new highs unless we see altcoin season come back around right now, which I don't think we're just ready for it yet. However, I do think Shib will move on itself a little bit later this year. And I think later this year we have a chance to kind of reach that altcoin season. And hopefully, as the economy gets better, inflation gets better, then retail money starts coming back into crypto. And don't forget about the burn mechanism. That's going to help remove tokens out of circulation when Shibarium drops as well. So these are some things we're looking forward to. This is what could help and will help Shiba Inu get back to those all-time highs that we're used to back in 2021. We have to have patience right now because nothing is moving. It's a tough time in the crypto market, especially for everything not named Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dominance has been at an all-time high here this year, and eventually there will be a change of the guards a little bit, and altcoins will have their day. Altcoin season. That is when Shib will rise again. Appreciate you guys so much. Let me know if you agree, disagree down below. And don't forget to subscribe again down there. Really, really helps us out. I really, really appreciate it as well. See ya.